Before you view this video segment, be sure to read the Hurst chapter, Models of the Information Seeking Process, from the book Search User Interfaces, published by Cambridge University Press in 2009. Pay particular attention to the sections 3.1 to 3.4. The chapter will provide you with the necessary background as we begin to explore the various models that have been used to teach the information-seeking process. One pedagogical model that has gained popularity in the U.S. was developed by Mike Eisenberg and Bob Berkowitz. Number 1. The first step in the information literacy strategy is to clarify and understand the requirements of the problem or the task for which information is sought. Basic questions asked at this stage. What is known about the topic? What information is needed? And where can the information be found? Number 2, locating. The second step is to identify sources of information and to find those resources. Depending upon the task, sources that will be helpful may vary. Sources may include books, encyclopedias, maps, almanacs, etc. Sources may be in electronic, print, social bookmarking tools, or other formats. Number 3, selecting and analyzing. Step 3 involves examining the resources that were found. The information must be determined to be useful or not useful in solving the problem. The useful resources are selected and the inappropriate resources are rejected. Number 4, organizing and synthesizing. It is in the fourth step this information which has been selected is organized and processed so the knowledge and solutions are developed. Examples of basic steps in this stage are discriminating between fact and opinion, basing comparisons on similar characteristics, noticing various interpretations of data, finding more information if needed, and organizing ideas and information logically. Number 5, creating and presenting. In step 5, the information or solution is presented to the appropriate audience in an appropriate format. A paper is written, a presentation is made, drawings, illustrations, and graphs are presented. Number 6, evaluating. The final step in the information literacy strategy involves the critical evaluation of the completion of the task or the new understanding of the concept. Was the problem solved? Was the new knowledge found? What could have been done differently? And what was done well? In 1998, the Ontario School Library Association published an information studies curriculum to be implemented at the K-12 levels, outlining the inquiry and research process. The image on the slide depicts the various stages. Stage number 1, preparing for research. Define information needs using a variety of strategies. Explore information using a variety of group activities. Identify varied ways of organizing information. Relate prior knowledge to information tasks. Stage 2, accessing resources. Locate a variety of appropriate resources from a variety of sources. Select information appropriate to needs using a variety of strategies. Gather information from resources using internal organizers and conventions of text. Collaborate with others to share findings and ideas. Stage 3. Processing information. Processing information is analyzing and evaluating information using a variety of strategies. Test ideas to adjust research and problem-solving strategies. Sort information using a variety of organizers and formats. Synthesize findings and formulate conclusions. Stage 4. Transferring learning. Revise product appropriate to purpose, audience, and format. Present research findings in a variety of forms for a variety of audiences. Reflect on and evaluate product and process. Transfer new information skills and knowledge to solve problems and make decisions. A more recent model for the inquiry process was developed by the Ontario School Library Association, OSLA, in 2010. Along with identifying the various steps of the inquiry process, the OSLA has also identified the performance indicators associated with knowledge and understanding, thinking, communication, and application, which correspond to the achievement charts in the Ontario curriculum for elementary and secondary education. Teachers teaching at this level might find this model especially useful. Take a look at the two OSLA models. What has changed? Although we have not looked at all of the models for seeking information that have been developed over the years, you get an idea from the common features of some of the existing models used in education. Which model has the most merit? Which one would you choose with your students? Create a graphic organizer to help you to compare and contrast the various information-seeking models. What are the common features of the models? Which model do you think would work best for your particular teaching area? Which one do you prefer and why? How would you modify one of them so that it is tailored to your own style and area?